Hi, my name is Ashika, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the FFT feature in FlexLogger using your mioDAQ device. So in front of me, I have FlexLogger already opened on my screen, and I've already connected my mioDAQ device using a USB cable. Now we also have a lamp, which we've plugged into our outlet, and we're using a CT to measure the current coming out of that cable. And that is connected to our mioDAQ device. So the white cable is connected to AI0, and we have the black wire connected to ground, which means that we can use a referenced single-ended configuration. Now let's go back to FlexLogger and configure our channels. So we're going to be configuring AI0. So we can hit the little gear next to the channel, and we want this to be a current measurement. And then we also have set the signal range to plus or minus 30 amps because that is what our CT can go up to. And then it also measures 1/3 of a volt, which is why we've set our slope to 90. And then in FlexLogger, your hardware range is automatically set based upon your signal range. And then you can see that we have the referenced single-ended configuration based on how we've set up our mioDAQ channels. Now I'm going to click Done. And if you can see the frequency here, I've set the frequency to be fast. Let's go to our screen, and I'm going to show you how to add the FFT graph. So I'm going to click the frequency graph and then place that on the screen. And I'm going to make sure it's corresponding to AI0. Now let's also add a cursor so that we can see what's happening on our graph. So I'm going to turn on the lamp. And when I do that, you can see that there's a spike in the graph. And we can see where it's coming by adding a cursor. So I'm going to take this cursor and drag it to the first peak, which we can see is at about 60 hertz, which is what we'd expect out of a wall outlet in the US. Now, I see some other peaks, and I would love to hear your thoughts down in the comments below why you think that is. And that's it. That's how you use the FFT feature in FlexLogger for more insights on your signal. Thanks for watching.